Place value drawings within 1,000 to add day 1. So now we're going over 100. Grab your whiteboard or your notebook and let's get to work. Remember to pause your video so that you can show your answers and then watch to make sure you're doing it correctly. Look at that disorganized mess. I don't want to count it, so let's skip to the next slide and see if we can see the answer immediately. Excellent. Write the number on your whiteboard. 99. Notice a 50 group, a big space, 40, a big space, a 5 group, and a big space, and 4. So it's all nicely organized. When we start drawing our own today, that's what we want them to look like. Okay, so here we have a jumbled mess. We don't want to try to add that together because there is no way we would ever get the right answer. So let's go to the next slide and see what it looks like organized. Much, much better. All right, let's get to work. Notice the first thing you see is a 50 and a 50, which, woo, we love it. It's 100. Nice job. Then we have a 20. Oh, 5 and 5 is 10, plus our extra 1. So 100 plus 20 plus 10. And we're going to combine the 20 and 10 together right at the start to make 30. So 100 plus 30 plus 1. Nice work. All right, let's draw. Remember, we need them nice and neat with spaces in between our 50 groups and our extra 10s and our 5 group and our extra 1s. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. And I'm going to actually leave a double space for the extra 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave a space. 6, 7, 8. Leave a space. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Leave a space. 60. That's why I left this large space up there, was because I knew I had some extras down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space, and 6. All right, 50 plus 50, woohoo! We love it when we find 50 plus 50s because we know it's 100. And there's our 10. Oh, 5 and 5 is 10. And plus our extra 4. So 10 plus 10, we add that together first. And then we really just have expanded form, which is 100 plus 20 plus 4 equals 124. Nice. All right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. 60, 70, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. And our 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. 60, leave a space. Now we have a 4, which isn't quite a 5 group. So you can either put it over here and then say, oh, 5, and there's a 4 and a 1. Or we can do what we've talked about in other videos. Whoops, let's put that one back. And say, I'm going to think of a 4 as a 5 minus a 1. So I'm going to draw a 5 group and then minus 1 up there. So now I have 50 plus 50 equals 100 plus 30. Oh, 5 and 5. That's why I thought of it as a 5 minus a 1. Because then I have a 10 plus a 3 left over. I'm going to combine my like terms, which are your tens, and 100 plus 40 plus 3 equals 143. Now, if we look at this 9 plus 4, I can see that that 9 is going to give them a 1. Nice job. All right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. 60, 70, 80, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 6. See that 40? I'm going to put it over here. And then a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 6. Now, you could, if you wanted to, think of that 40 as a 50 minus a 10, just like we did on the last slide with the ones. But I chose to just do it this way. But you can do it. So there's a 50, but that 50 is going to come over here, get a 30 and a 20 more. So 50 plus 30 plus 20 equals 100 and a 20. I don't love that because it doesn't make a nice box, but I'm being careful. 5 and 5 is 10, and a leftover 2 equals 132. Now, like I said, we could have done 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space, 60, 70, 80, leave a space, and done that 40 as a 50, 20, 30, 40, 50, minus a 10. And then you can see that 100 there with the 20. The tricky part is you have to remember to take away the 10, because a 40 is not a 50, but it is a 50 minus a 10. Next one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. 60, 70, 80, 90, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 6, 7, 8. And a 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. All right, you have a 4. Do you want to put it here as a 5 minus a 1? Or do you just want to put it over there with our 4? Do you see the 100? 50 plus 50 equals 100. Plus our 40. This 5 needs to go looking for his partner, so he'll grab the 3 and the 2. Makes 10. And an extra 2. Combine your like terms. So 100 plus 50 plus 2 equals 152. Nice job. Keep on practicing.